So, in front of me I've got Endorfy keyboard. In this video I'll show you how to download dedicated app for any Endorfy device. In the beginning, let's go to Endorfy website and go to Support and Software. Here you can download for sound, keyboards and mice. If you want to download for keyboards, you can select from Talk Wireless series, Talk Wired series, Omnis series and Celeris 1800 series. Simply press the button to start downloading the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.